Hey guys, it's been a very long time since I last gave heads up about Project Alice, and I thought I would do it today to show one of the latest feature right before the next one. Um, I wanted to share this one because the actually great feature that is coming in a couple of days is gonna make the one from today even better. Um, but I think if you don't see what's happening before, you might not understand what's going on in the next one. So it's pretty easy. Okay, this is my setup. Actually, this one is the development one. Um, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start Project Alice and see what's happening using Snips Watch. So let's do this. Okay, she's up. And now let's say, hey Snips,
Yes?
what year are we in? So she doesn't recognize or, okay, she didn't even understand me. So, hey Snips,
Yes?
tell me the year. So as you can see, it won't work. But she doesn't understand me. So what I did is I already took this page up and I'm gonna quickly create a new intent, which is get year. Let's create that. Let's make, can you tell me the year? Tell me what year this is. What's the current year? What year are we in? Okay, and so on. We have 4 examples. I think that's enough. Okay, of course it's still not okay, but for the sake of this video, I won't make it any longer. And we can actually just save that one. Now the whole process would be actually to wait until this is trained, then to deploy the assistant, manually download it, unpack it, unzip it on my Raspberry Pi, replace the assistant on Alice, and reboot Alice, which is a pain to do, let's say it this way. So I have prepared in code the get year. Get year is ready to react as soon as we update. But as you saw, the assistant wasn't reacting to this because it didn't know it. So let's go here and let's do it this way. Hey Snips,
Yes?
update yourself.
Okay, will do. Note that it might take a while. My bundle's just updated.
So as you can see, I just asked Alice to update herself. So what she did was actually connecting to the console, training the NLU, training the ASR, and actually download the new assistant and install it, and finally reboot Snips. So let's see if it works. Hey Snips,
Yes?
what year are we in? Oops. Hey Snips,
Yes?
can you tell me the year?
2019.
And as you can see, now it works because she live updated herself. I hope you guys enjoyed this one because this is really the first tone of a real really great user experience coming out in a couple of days, and we are planning to release Project Alice to public in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. We are looking for German translators to bring Alice out in German also directly. For now we have French and English, and yeah, maybe Italian, why not? If you're interested, just ping me on YouTube or Twitter or wherever you want. See ya guys, bye.